Hey, what's up everyone, my Vishal from my web, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a sidebar menu using just HTML and CSS. So let's begin with this video using some coding stuff. Using in the HTML and CSS only. We are not gonna use any third-party library like Bootstrap or Metal CSS. You are not using any one single library, but you are just using HTML CSS, core HTML CSS. So let's begin with this. Okay, so I just opening this and I'm going to open and create a folder and create a new folder which is sidebar. Okay, and I open it in the code editor. Okay, so we have I just opened my VS code and now create a new file which is index.html and create a new folder which is CSS, and in the CSS folder I create a new file which is style.css. Okay, and I just make a differentiate between those. Okay, and yeah, now I create with some sidebar. Okay, and after that I link this CSS, which is we have the CSS folder, and the CSS folder we have the style the CSS file. Okay, and just create a new heading like hello sidebar, and let's save it. And now going back to my style the CSS file, and yeah, that's fine. Now just type, I take a h1 tag for testing or CSS are working or not. So I just change the font size of that. So change the font size into 50 pixel or 70 pixel. Okay, now that's fine. Now I'm just open my go live. Okay, so as you can see, we have our sidebar is also working and our CSS is also working. Now just remove this and also this. After that I take a wrapper class. In a wrapper class I take a main. Okay, I just take a sidebar class, and after that I take some I put the default margin. Sorry, that is strict, and margin will be 0, and also take the padding, which is by default it should be 0 on the whole page, and take a sidebar. I take the width will be must only 250 pixel, and the height will be 100 vh, and take a background. Blue or purple. Yeah, okay, just change with this. Okay, now that's fine. Now check in the browser. Okay, I forgot to save this HTML file too. Now, okay, now we have the sidebar, and also I take a padding around 10 pixels from top and bottom, and also left and right too. Okay, and just take a text. Okay, so before that I just test my list. So in the UL we have this li, in the li we have this link. Okay, and that's our dashboard, and I take a class in the UL. You will have the class is take the class name which is navbar, and in the li class this is navbar list. Okay, and if you want to take the class in the anchor tag, so you can take it, but I'm not going to take it right now. Okay, just copy this multiple times. Users, settings, and profile, and also another is logout. Okay, now that's cool. Let's check in the browser. Okay, now I'm going back to my CSS. I take this class first, so dot. Okay, I don't think we take this class right now. If you are need this, then we can write this class in CSS, but right now we just need this navbar list. So just copy this and paste it over here, and it's just change the list style will be none, and padding will be around 10 pixel. Let's see. Okay, I take the height around 40 pixel, and the line height also will be same as your height, so I just take this 40 pixel. Okay, now we need to change this decoration and the color, so I just copy this and paste it over, and we take an anchor tag, which is the anchor tag which is under this navbar list. So I just take it and change the text decoration. For remove the line from this, you can see in this line we have this line and underline in with the link, so I just we need to remove this. So just take this text decoration will be none. Okay, so my bad, this is none, and the color will be white, and let's change, I change the font size to, okay, the font size around 16 pixel. Okay, and I change the text transformation will be uppercase because we need that. Okay, and yeah, now that's cool. Okay, I'm going to take a font from this Google font, so just Google fonts, and I'm going to use Poppins. So let's see. Yeah, okay, I just import this in the CSS, so I just copied this and move back to my style the CSS, and after this I just import it and copy this font family and paste it over here in the anchor tag. Okay, let's see. So that's the old one. Okay, I just overwrite in the body tag. Okay, so I just close this and I take a body, and yeah, that should be work. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, now we need to take some over effect. Okay, what is the class name? I just forget to what is the class, I mean the color code. So yeah, okay, we just I was just take this linear gradient. So okay, and cool. Now let's check. Okay, now that's looking cool. Now for the taking the hover effect, I am going to take this navbar list. If you are hover on this list, the background will be white, and over on anchor tag, it's we also change the color. The color will be same as like this, the first one. So I just taking this, okay, and replace with this. Okay, now that's cool. Now press, now when you click, okay, okay, I don't think it should be work as like this. It's not looking good, but we can do one more thing. Like we can remove this padding from here and paste it over here in the neighbor list. Otherwise we don't need to do this. Okay, and okay, we don't need to take it from the top and bottom, so just take it from this left and right too only. So okay, I just take this from only from the left and right. Okay, and that's good. Okay, let's check what I take this in the list, neighbor list. Okay, that was okay. Padding was the 5 pixels, so yeah, I taken the 5 pixel. Yeah. Okay, now what would the next part? Next part is to take this user avatar and put this name. So I just take it. I just searching on the Google user avatar PNG image. Okay, I'm just going back to this images. And I just save this image. Templates, sidebar, and now take another folder which is images. User avatar.png. Okay. And in this another sidebar folder, take a sidebar header. Okay, and take img, and img we have the images folder. Like if I open this, you can see we have this images folder, and in the images folder we have this user avatar.png. So in the images folder we have this user avatar.png, and I take this. Okay, I put a class. The class name will be user logo. Okay, and after that I take a s3 class will be, and just put my name, or otherwise you can put it here as a John Doe. Sorry. Okay, so I just take this class and put it over here. Sorry. After that just take a dot and up this class name, and now just change the width. The width will be, okay, sorry, my bad, I just take the width will be 100%, and the height will be auto. Okay, now let's see in the browser. Okay, now we need to change this image logo, user logo. So I just take this class, I just copy this logo class and put this and change the width. Width will be around 80 pixel. That's look fine. Let's check. Okay, and okay, I take this display flex display in the sidebar header for make it and for change this and put it in the center. So I just take the display flex and justify content will be center. Okay, and flex direction will be column. Okay, now okay, and align items will be center. Okay, and also we need to take some paddings. Padding around from I take the padding from top and bottom will be 20 pixel and 10 pixel from left and right. I think we don't need to take it from the left and right, so it's working fine. Okay, now it's in the center. Okay, we need to change the color, so I just put in the color will be white, and after that I take also the paragraph, which is admin panel. Okay, I just save this in the also the CSS. Now we have this. Okay, now I want to change this color of this logout. Okay, just close this. So I just take a class in the add a new class in this logout list. So I just take the logout, save, and after that logout, and the background color will be red. Okay, and when you try to notice that icon is not changed after this text. You can see we are not able to click on this, but we can click on this text. So we want to click whenever you want. So I just move back to this anchor tag and okay, yeah, in the hover, okay, in the neighbor list anchor tag, and just put it as a display block only. We don't need this inline block, we just need block. Now you can click at anywhere as you want. See, okay, after that if you want to put some contents like if you want to put or create another component HTML component in this working area, so how can I do that? So after this wrapper, after this sidebar, I take a comment also. This is sidebar. After this sidebar, I want to work on the main area, so I take another. This is main working area, and when I take main tag, okay, and after that when I try to take a h1, and this is dashboard, and I take a paragraph which have some lorem text. Now how it will look? As you can see, it's below the sidebar. So we need to put this into this side of this sidebar. So I just take a class in the wrapper. So I move back to the CSS, and the top of the sidebar take a class. I take the help of the flex direction. So I just type this display flex, and Yeah, let's see. Okay, now also take the main tag. Okay, we just need to flex wrap will be wrapped, and the flex direction will be row, always row. Okay, now that's cool. And again, and take a main tag, and the main tag padding, we need to put this we need to put some padding for take a space. Okay, we don't need this wrap. Okay, now I take padding around 20 pixel. Okay, now you can check it anything. Now when you notice our sidebar is little bit shrink, so I'm just coming back to my header. This sidebar, so sidebar header, I just replace this value with the 100%, replace with 250 pixel as equal to our sidebar width. Okay, now that's looking cool. And also put some timing space between this, and in the anchor tag I take a letter spacing. Letter spacing will be one pixel. Okay, 0.8 pixel. Yeah, 0.7 pixel will be good. Yeah, that should be good. After that I take some animations. I mean, I set the some transition, so all 0.5 second easy in out. Okay, now let's see. Now refresh, and okay, so just change the timing with the 3 second only. Okay, now refresh. So I hope guys you can like this video, and you can understand how can you make a sidebar using HTML CSS. So meet you soon in the next video with some amazing contents. Meet you soon in the next video. Thank you so much.